What is the painful thing anyone has ever said to you?
So one of my friends in the elementary school, she told me that I was the ugliest kid ever. It really did hurt me at the time because I was just an elementary kid.
But I should say you are the prettiest.
Thank you so much.
Hello, excuse me. Hi, I'm Rakesh. I'm a photographer. I take portraits of strangers and post them on YouTube and Instagram. If you don't mind, can I click your pictures?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yashasvi.
Yashasvi. You are from?
I'm from Karnataka, Mangalore.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ ಮೀನಿ ತಿನ್ನುವ ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
ಹೌದಾ?
ಬಾಂಗಡೆ ಮೀನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು